Hey, did you see that new TikTok trend? You seen it? You know, when you throw the dishwasher packet in, just in the middle of the dishwasher? You mean this one? Take a dishwasher packet and you just toss it in? Yeah. Yeah, it's dumb. Don't do that. Don't do that. I'll show you why. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for coming back and checking out my channel. If you haven't subscribed and click that bell for notifications, please go ahead and do that for me. You won't be disappointed. So today, oh, and please like, that it really helps the algorithm. Okay, so today's video is going to be about this trend that's going across all of social media, and it's called, I don't know what you call it, but basically somebody takes a dishwasher packet whenever they're running their dishwasher, and then they just throw it in there. Like, you know, you load your dishes, you toss it in there. So instead of putting it in the tray, you just toss it in. And everybody's like, oh, I believe that. And it's a TikTok trend, it must be true. Yeah, don't do it. Okay? I mean, it's not gonna hurt anything, but you should always put one in the little drawer, and I'll show you why. So, when you throw these packets in there, by the way, I always recommend a high quality packet that you can find in the description below. When you throw one of those packets in your dishwasher does a cycle initially, right? And it just sprays water on most models, just sprays water around to try to pre-clean the dishes, right? So if you've got, you know, easily removed debris, you know, ketchup, mustard, whatever, you know, you just, the little stuff, right? It's gonna spray that and get it all off of your dishes, okay? So your dishwasher, when it does that, it's running the hot water from your tap, right? Unless you've got cold hooked up somehow, you crazy people that do that. I don't know if you can see this or not, but I just ran hot water. It is 128 degrees. I just spilt it everywhere from my little infrared thermometer, and I recommend that you guys get one. They're not too expensive, but if you want to check the water temperature of your dishwasher or whatever, it helps whenever you're trying to troubleshoot cleaning your dishes. So I'll put a link in the description below for one of these things. But anyway, here's my point. So when you take that hot water, and by the way, if you're running some sort of sanitized cycle on your dishwasher, it's going to be hotter, okay? If you got steam or something like that, it's going to be a lot hotter. So when you put that in there, look at that. Look at how fast that packet just broke open, right? That's what happens with really hot water in these packets, okay? So in just a few minutes, or seconds really, you pretty much don't have a dishwasher packet. Like, yeah, it's spraying around and it's on the pre-clean cycle, but the whole point of the pre-clean cycle is to pre-clean. So what happens whenever the pre-clean cycle's done? Guess what? It drains, okay? And I'm going to show you that right here. I started my dishwasher, so on the like sanitize heavy modes, super clean, you know, the ultra platinum jazz dishwashing cycle, you know, the whole shebang, everything, you know, not just a quick clean, but everything that you could, you know, clean it with, right? I started it, and it's normally, I don't know if you can see this or not, it starts at like 3 hours and I think 11 minutes. Right now it's 2 hours and 53 minutes left. So that means after about 20 minutes or less, it's going to run that cycle, and then it's going to drain it. So I'm gonna, well, here, let's see if you can see this. Let me move this. And by the way, that packet is now that. Yeah. So how long was that? Like 30 seconds or a minute maybe, and now it's done. So it's sure it's cleaning in the meantime, but the bulk majority of what you're cleaning, it's done for, right? Anyway, this is pre-cleaned, okay? So you can see all the nasty stuff in the bottom. All right, I literally stopped this because it was draining after like 17 minutes. Can't even do math right now. 18 minutes. I don't know if I can get it to start right now since it's been off, but yep, there you go. So it's just started that cycle because it knows it's finished. It's now draining after 18 minutes. So guess what happened to that packet that you threw in there? It's gone. Is it going to hurt anything if you threw it in there? No, but you need to put one in the time released thing, okay? Let's see. I hear it draining. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, see? It's done draining. So that packet I put in there, that dude is gone. He's gone. Like a freight train, okay? He is out of here. So now what do you have? Well, you better hope you have something in here. You know, there's still water that gets inside of this little tray here. But the thing is, oops, that keeps it closed, keeps most of it from staying in there. So whenever it's ready, boop, pops open, sprayer arms, or, you know, on this one, it's the beam. Get it, and then clean your dishes through the long cycle. Okay, the beginning you're only getting about 20 minutes worth of actual suds cleaning, and then the rest of it's just going to be steam and water. So if you really want to get your dishes clean, it's not going to hurt you to throw one in there in the beginning, but make sure you put one in here too. Do both. It's not going to hurt anything. The only thing that's going to hurt your pocketbook. But anyway, I hope this video has been informative to you guys. If you like it, please hit that like button for me. Please subscribe to my channel, and as always, 1 + 2 = goldfish. Bye. But seriously, guys, thank you all so much. I love all your support. Any of the products that I use that I typically recommend for people with dishwashers to do monthly maintenance or whatever, I'll put all those in the description below. But I sincerely appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. I hope every one of you has a great day, and every one of you just kicks butt. Okay?